This is the oil I'm using, Valvoline VR1. So it's a 50 weight, high zinc. So next I'm going to try Tatro stuff. This is the stuff I want to, the trybodyn. Once I get that stuff in there, I'll do this again. I'll get back on here and give it a try. I'm going to do this stuff, and then I'm going to put this one in the transmission. So this is 250 weight. The transmission one's going to be a little more interesting here because it's I guess there's no drain plug on that thing, so that's going to be fun trying to get it out. But once I get it in there and get this, I'm going to do, I forgot this. No, I'm doing two things. Tatro suggested that I do this quart of the 70 weight Maxima oil and then top it off with the trybodyn. So that's what I'm going to do. I just went out for a ride. It's probably out for, shit, I was out for an hour. Alright, temperature, outside temperature is 85 degrees, and that's what I'm getting on this thermometer, but that doesn't seem right. But I'm getting 125 degrees of the oil temperature, so I don't know why it's a lot cooler in the engine there than it should be, but we'll see. I'm going to do the other oil and see what happens. I just got back from a ride. I've been out probably for an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. Bike's looking good. I just put the new trybodyn 2050 in there with also a quart of the Max 70 weight, and I also put in the 250 weight in the transmission, and wow, what a difference in shifting. Definitely felt performance. Everything performed better. The shifting wasn't so clunky. The bike wasn't smoking so much. So acceleration was good. Everything about it just felt better. The bike was performing better. But like I said, the amount of smoke coming out was way less on the bike, just on the 2 hour ride I just did. And also the other thing I noticed was not so much heat coming up from the engine while I'm sitting there riding. Usually you can feel it, and there was a lot less heat coming off the engine, so that was a positive, big positive. I'm getting, my reading is at 115. If you can see that, yeah, it's 115. I was at 125, so it's 10 degrees cooler on this thermometer. So, and the shifting on with the oil was the 250 weight oil, and the tranny was awesome. It would used to clunk when I downshift into first, and now it was nice and smooth. A little bit of clunky, but nearly not as loud. And very happy with the overall performance upgrade that this trybodyn oil has given me. Like I said, I'm super happy with the engine performance. The best thing about it is not so much heat coming off the engine when I'm sitting here riding, and stuff's great. Thanks, Tatro.